What if I told you that back in the 1970s, a van wasn't just a vehicle, it was a lifestyle? A machine that combined power, comfort, and pure American freedom on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic vans of its time, the legendary 1979 Custom G20 Chevy van. This isn't just a van, this is a rolling piece of history. So sit back, relax, and let's explore why this classic still turns heads in the United States even today. And don't forget to subscribe to CarAug 765 for more amazing classic car content. The Chevrolet G20 van was part of the famous G-Series lineup that dominated American roads during the 70s and 80s. Back in 1979, this van was everywhere, from family road trips to custom show builds. It wasn't just transportation, it was a symbol of freedom. People customized these vans with plush interiors, TVs and sound systems, unique paint jobs. This gave birth to what we now call the van life culture. Exterior design. When you first look at the 1979 Custom G20, you immediately notice its bold and boxy design. This van was built to stand out. It had a wide front grille, round headlights, a long, spacious body. Many custom versions featured chrome bumpers, side graphics and murals, raised roofs for extra headroom. In fact, some vans were so customized that they looked like luxury lounges on wheels. This was not just a vehicle, it was a statement. Interior. Now let's step inside, and this is where things get really interesting. The interior of a custom G20 van could be absolutely insane. We're talking about velvet seats, wooden panels, mood lighting, mini bars. Yes, mini bars, inside a van. Some owners even installed beds, TVs, premium sound systems. It felt more like a moving living room than a vehicle. And that's why families loved it, and adventurers couldn't get enough of it. Performance. Under the hood, the 1979 Custom G20 Chevy van packed serious power. Most models came with a V8 engine, like the 350 small block, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive. This wasn't a sports car, but it had enough power to carry heavy loads and cruise comfortably on highways. Fuel economy. Not great, but performance and reliability. Absolutely solid for its time. And let's be honest, nobody bought this van to save fuel. They bought it for the experience. Popularity in In the United States, the G20 van became a cultural icon. It was used for family road trips, business deliveries, camper conversions. Even today, you can still find these vans in places like California, Texas, Florida. Collectors and enthusiasts restore them and keep the legacy alive. Some even turn them into modern camper vans. So, what makes the 1979 Custom G20 Chevy van so special? It's not just about the engine or the design. It's about the feeling. A time when driving meant freedom, when vehicles had personality, and when a van could be your home, your ride, and your adventure all in one. The 1979 Custom G20 Chevy van is more than just a classic. It's a legend. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to CarAug 765. And let me know in the comments. Would you drive this classic van today? See you in the next video.